We'll guide you through how to create Printful custom packaging. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Stores tab at the top of the page. Select the store you'd like to customize packaging for. Now, look for the Branding section on the left-hand menu and click on it. Here, you'll see an option for custom packaging. Click on Add Custom Packaging to get started. You'll need to upload your design file, so make sure you have that ready. The file should be in a high-resolution format, preferably PNG or JPEG, and follow Printful's guidelines for dimensions and quality. Once uploaded, you'll see a preview of how your packaging will look. Don't forget to adjust the positioning if necessary to make sure your design fits perfectly. You can also add additional details like text or other design elements using Printful's design tools. After you're satisfied with your design, hit the Save button to apply it to your packaging. Printful will now use this design for orders from the selected store that require custom packaging. Remember, custom packaging can enhance your brand's presentation and create a memorable unboxing experience for your customers. Finally, check your store settings to ensure everything is linked correctly and that your custom packaging is active. And that's it. You've successfully set up custom packaging on Printful. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.